come bearing gifts of sunglasses. And welcome back to Madeline's Avenue. If this is your first time, welcome. My name is Madeline. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, okay? Because you clicked on this video for a reason, so you're most definitely here to stay, okay? And if you're a returning subscriber, hey guys, welcome back. So today I kind of have like another haul for you guys. I'm just giving you guys hauls back to back, okay? So today I have a sunglass haul. I am literally a sunglass head, and I think I got this from my mom. Like, she has so many sunglasses and she literally just wears them. Like, I feel like my mom's outfit is never complete without sunglasses, so I think I adopted that from her. So I literally have so many sunglasses to show you since the last time I did a sunglass haul. The last time I did a sunglass haul I think was 2017, 16, 18, I'm not sure, I can't remember. But today I have an updated version, but I will not show you guys sunglasses from the previous haul. I'd love for you guys to go check that out. It was a long time ago, so I don't even know if I still have those glasses here, but I do have sunglasses to show you, okay? So make sure you get your glass of wine or a drink or your snacks or your food or whatever and get situated because we're about to get into it, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna go in no chronological order. Like, I'm just gonna pick and show you guys, and most of the sunglasses are from Giant Vintage. If you guys follow me on social media, then you would know that Giant Vintage is actually my favorite sunglass brand. So most of these sunglasses here are from Giant Vintage, and I can't wait to show them to you. You guys will be so proud of me because, like, I have a wide range of colors, okay? Alright. But yeah, I'm just gonna pick any and just start off with that, and then we'll just keep on going. But I will tell you guys the brand name because not every single one of them is from Giant Vintage, but most of them are from Giant Vintage, let's be honest, okay? So this is the first one, and I'm gonna do my best to put the names down. Some of these are sold out, by the way, so sorry about that, guys. Oh, trying to make it not touch my lashes. But yeah, this is the first one. I think this is called Bubblegum. I'm not sure of the names, guys. They have crazy names for these sunglasses, so can't really tell you. But yeah, these are from Giant Vintage. These are super cute, baby pink. Like, guys, these sunglasses are the cutest. If you watched my previous haul, then you would know that I'm a vintage girl at heart. I love like Y2k, especially like Nollywood era during that time period. So a lot of my items, especially sunglasses, are vintage. Let's be real, okay? And because they are vintage, they're going to be like bent instead of just like the straight ones. I do have some straight ones, but most of them are like bent. But yeah, this is the next one. I think this is called Schmancy. Look at that. Would you look at that? This is super cool. I really like this because it's kind of like two-toned. Like, at the top it's like a little bit green, at the bottom it's like honey brown. I don't know if you guys can see that, so I really like that. And it's just really nice and like square. It's kind of giving me like beach vibes. What are you guys thinking? And this is from Giant Vintage. The next one, I'm gonna pick this one. This is kind of like an older one compared to like these two. So this is also from Giant Vintage, but it obviously doesn't like have that vintage look because it's not bent. It's just straight and it's like rectangular and short. But I really like this. And this, I don't know if you guys can really see, but they have like lines on them, so they're not just like brown, and it kind of like is also what I say two-toned, where it goes from like a really nice brown to like a light honey brown at the bottom. But yeah, I love this so much. Ooh, guys, this is literally my second favorite pair of sunglasses that I have. Guys, look at this. Like, just look at them. Cute, you know, nice, all that good stuff. But then when I turn to this side, okay, when I turn to the side, what is it giving? It's giving Y2k bubble, it's giving Y2k buttercup, it's giving Y2k blossom, all that good stuff. But yeah, I actually really love these glasses, especially like the heart on the side. It's super cute. Like, I love it so much. I can't wait to show you guys my fave. Oh my gosh, because we haven't gotten there yet. So we're still, you know, going through a couple things. Ooh, these ones. Okay, so this, I actually got them for my trip to Hawaii. If you guys have watched that vlog, if you haven't, you should definitely check it out. So these glasses, it's kind of like two-toned and it has like patterns on them. I think it's like a regular orange and like a really light orange, like lighter than peach, like really light. And I got this for this meow set that I got. Like the meow set is super cute, and when I actually paired it with these glasses, I was like, yes, my vision came together. Okay, but these are some super cute orange sunglasses. I like them so much. Also, let me know like which one is your fave at the end of this. I think you guys are going to be confused because I haven't even started. I'm gonna show you guys this one next. These are some super cute red sunglasses. You guys know my favorite color is red, so have to come clutch with the red. What do you guys think? I actually really like this. I think this hairstyle that I did is perfect for this haul because these glasses are super vintage. What are you guys thinking? This is giving me X-Men, but the lady in X-Men, you guys know what I'm talking about, right? It's her name Victoria, I think, but this is super nice. I love this so much. These are also some red sunglasses. I think this one is giving more X-Men than the other one. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I love it. I love it. I initially got this to pair it with these sneakers that I got from Heelys. They were like red and black and a little bit of white, so that's why I got them, and they actually go really well. Okay, gonna pick this one. Ooh, if you guys watched my vlog in Hawaii, then you would have seen the sunglasses for sure. Super cute and edgy. What do you guys think? I love it so much, like a lot. Like I love it a lot. I love the color, and I also love the design. Like it's really nice and cute. I like that so much. Okay, so the next sunglasses, ooh, these are also one of my fave because, okay, when I wore these, because I usually do like mini hauls for my best friends, especially with my sunglasses, because they know that I'm a sunglass collector at this point. So when I wore these glasses for them, they were like, okay, these are proper vintage, because they know that they've seen their aunts wearing this before. And look at these guys. It's like that D just looks so good. And if you guys can't see, there's like a design on the side. Like it's not just regular brown. It's kind of like a tortoise design. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about. But these are super cute. Alright, so the next I'm gonna show you is this super cute purple one. Guys, whew, these glasses are the bomb. Like I love them so much. They are super cute, super nice. And I also like that the purple isn't so dark. Like it's just a really nice purple. Like that is so cute. What do you guys think? Alright, so what are we gonna look at next? Ooh, let me show you guys this one. I think this is called Perla in Aqua. Guys, would you look at this? Look at this and look at this. Okay, like guys, I don't know what else to say about these. Like I feel like they speak for themselves, because do you see this? Do you see this? Like I think you see it. I know you see it actually. But yeah, I really love these because the color is just not your regular green. Like it's like an aqua green, so it's a little bit darker. And I also love the fact that it's kind of like a transition as well. Like I think that's super cute, from like the aqua to like clear. I love it. These ones, I'm gonna tell you guys a little story behind these. So these are super cute. They are also orange as well. I love these glasses so much. Like this is kind of like from orange to yellow. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's from like orange to yellow. Super cool, super nice. And I actually have a similar one like this, but it's a lot smaller, and I'm gonna show you that one next. But the story behind these, let me keep them honest. I'm telling you guys. So basically, the ones I initially ordered was supposed to go from pink to yellow. guys, those glasses, I'm still waiting for them to come back in stock so I can buy them. Literally, that's how much I love them so much. But then when I ordered the pink and yellow, like the transaction went through, then they emailed me later like, so sorry, but the pink and yellow one is out of stock, so would you get a different color? And I'm just like, they literally just crushed me that night. But I was like, whatever, I'll just get this one because this one was closer to something that had yellow at the bottom, so I just got it. Why not? So this, I think this is called fake tan because it kind of goes from like a smoky crystal to like actual like very clear. So yeah, this is like the small version, and I'm gonna put the orange by the side so you guys can just see like the design. Ooh, the design is sort of like the same, but it's just smaller. But yeah, these are two super cute sunglasses. I actually really like them so much. They're super cool. I love like the clearness. Like that's one thing I love with sunglasses. Like clear sunglasses are like one of my favorites ever. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna show you is this one, and I'm saving my favorite one for last because I want, guys, when you see the sunglasses you will go crazy and stupid, literally, trust me. Okay, so this, I actually got this because of my newfound love for the color teal. If you guys watched my previous haul, the one with women's wear, yes, the one with women's wear, because I got this teal set from them and also a teal dress, and guys, the color bombed. So when I saw these glasses I was like, I'm not gonna pass up on you. Like they are so cute. I love this little like embellishment they did here. It's super cute. I love it. It really is giving Y2k. It really is giving, what is it giving? Tell me what it's giving, guys. Let me know what it's giving, okay? Okay, so the next one I'm gonna show is this green one. This is like a proper green. I'll probably say like maybe lime green. Just a little bit of lime green, nothing too serious. But yeah, this is a super cute color. Do you guys see that? Like it's really nice, and it's like rimless, like it doesn't have any rims, but they're like these two super cute like dots, diamonds on the side, like that holds the edges of the glasses together, and I think that's really nice. What do you guys think about this one? Ooh, the next one I'm gonna show you are these yellow and black sunglasses, or rather black and yellow, but I'm so silly. But yeah, these are some super cute sunglasses, and these like cover your eyes just like the brown ones, like they cover your whole face. But yeah, I like them so much because of the design, like on the hands, like it's really nice, and if you can see there's just like a little bit of brown in there, just but yeah, I really like these. But yeah, so this is the next one. These are also some super cute red sunglasses, guys. I am living for the X on the side, like I love it. I think this red is more like a maroon red because it's really dark, but I like it so much. What do you guys think? Ooh, guys, these glasses, what are the names of, what's the name of this? I've forgotten the name, but like these glasses are the bomb diggity. Okay, I don't know why I just said that, but these are fire. Like they are fire. Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? What else is there to say? I don't know. What else is there to say? I don't know. Can you guys see how it goes from like black to clear? Like it's super cool. I love it so much. So do you guys remember the pink sunglasses? These are similar to the pink ones, but they're not the same exactly, but they're similar. But this is just white. So this is what they look like. White sunglasses are just cool, guys. They're super cool and like really effortless style. Like look at that. I know I forgot to mention, but literally all the glasses you have seen right now are all from Giant Vintage. So sorry, I'll show you. This is also from Giant Vintage. These are some cool clear glasses, but one thing I really love about this is that the hand is really at the bottom, like it's not at the top. Can you guys see that? Like that is super cool. Don't forget, I'll do my best to actually get the names of all these sunglasses that I got, and I'll also try and get the links, but it will be really hard for me to get the links if they are sold out, so I would definitely get the names. So this is the next one. Ooh, these are so cute and so cool, guys. These glasses actually don't feel tight. Like all the other ones have actually felt like really gripping to my face, but this just feels nice. What do you guys think? I love like this whole design here, and I love the transition as well. If you guys have noticed, most of the glasses I have are like transition, not most, but like some of them are like transitioning. These are some true Y2k sunglasses because when I styled them, it really took me back to that Nollywood era. If you guys don't know the Nollywood era I'm talking about, then you're sleeping under a bicycle, okay, not even on top. So the next one from Giant Vintage, I know that the name of this is Chantal. There are some of the sunglasses that I actually know their names because that's how much I love them. And it's crazy because my favorite sunglasses, I don't know their name. But yeah, so these are called Chantal. It's such a cute blue color. Like, I love that so much. I actually wore it when I went out for an all-girls day out brunch with my friends. And I also did a vlog on it on my channel, so you should definitely go watch that. But yeah, these are super cute, super cute. Ooh, these glasses. These are like one of my first Giant Vintage sunglasses. I actually really like them, and I took pictures in them like 2020. I wore this really cute afro wig, and I wore like a cute white crop top, brown skirt, brown heels, just carried my brown bag, and was just posing. It was giving Nollywood, it was giving Y2k, it was just giving everything. I'm gonna put up pictures for you guys to see. Guys, we're slowly coming to the end. So these, I love these so much. They actually sold out one time and then they brought it back in stock, and I was like, I'm not gonna miss it, okay? But these are super cool. I love the lining so much. Like, I love that so much, guys. You don't understand. But this is in black. They also have it in blue and in like a honey brown. But yeah, these super cute like blue sunglasses. I love the hand so much. Like, guys, do you see that? It's just super cute sunglasses. Like, between this and the other blue ones I showed you guys, let me know your favorite, because I'm literally torn. I don't know which one to pick. And then the final one, which is my favorite sunglasses. I think this would be my favorite for a long time. Get ready. Do you see this? Am I the only one seeing this? I literally can't be the only one seeing this. Like, these are just the bomb. Oh, I don't even want to take them off. I can't take them off. Do you guys see this? I understand why it's my fave. Are we communicating? But yeah, these are my fave. I don't even remember the name, which is really sad, but I feel like they're sold out now. Yeah, I think they are sold out. So these are all the sunglasses I have for you guys for now, though. I'm still a collector, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this. If you watched it all the way to the end, do not forget to like this video, comment which is your fave. If your fave is also my fave, then we are faves together, okay? And also do not forget to share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do have more hauls coming, I believe so. I believe I have a couple hauls. A couple more coming, you know? Just like maybe 2 or 3. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.